In this video, you will learn how to create a proposal in HoneyBooks. Follow these simple steps. First, log into your HoneyBooks account using your credentials. Then, create a new project. In the Projects tab, click on the plus to create a new project. Add a basic detail about the project and the client. Add a proposal. Inside the project, click on the Proposals tab. Click on Create Proposals to start a new proposal. Choose a template. Select a pre-made template from HoneyBook or start from scratch. Customize the proposal. Edit the text to include your offer, details, service and pricing. You can also add your branding such as your colour, fonts and logo. Set up payment options. Add a payment plan or deposit amount if applicable. Review your proposal. Review the proposal by clicking on the preview button. Send the proposal. Once you're satisfied, click send to an email your client and share the link with them. Monitor if the client viewed or signed the proposal within HoneyBooks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.